Hi everyone! Today we are going to be making some delicious, crispy and juicy chicken tinga tostadas. For this recipe, we will need about 4.5 pounds of chicken breasts, we will also need 12 Roma tomatoes, 1.5 onions, 3 guajillo chiles, and 4 garlic cloves. We will also need 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon and 3 chipotle peppers. For toppings, we will need lettuce, we'll also be using sour cream. I'm going to be using the Mexican kind, but you can use whichever one you want. We will also use not an entire celery stick, but a few pieces and some cilantro. And we're also going to be using tostadas. I'm going to be using this kind of tostadas, but you can use any kind of tostadas that you like. Now we're going to start cutting the chicken breasts in half. Here I have them ready. Now we're going to take them to the stove to cook. I have a pot filled with about 12 cups of water. We are going to add the chicken, we're also going to add the garlic cloves and the cilantro and the celery, and we're also going to add some salt and an onion. We're going to let it cook for an hour. Meanwhile, we're going to take the seeds out of the guajillo chiles. Here we have another pot filled with 8 cups of water. We're going to add the Roma tomatoes, the guajillo chiles, and half an onion. And garlic. While we wait, we're going to chop some lettuce for the toppings. We're back at the stove. And I'm going to remove this foam from where the chicken is cooking. As you can see, our ingredients for the salsa are ready. Now we're going to blend them. Here I'm going to add some of the boiling water. We are going to add 3 chipotle peppers and some of the adobo sauce. We are also going to add 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon. Here we have our sauce already blended. Now we are going to very thinly slice half an onion. Here we have our sliced onion. We're gonna put it to the side for now. Here we have our chicken already cooked and we're going to start shredding it now. The shredded chicken is ready and now we're going to do the next step. Now we're going to fry our sauce. We're gonna add some oil and we're gonna also add our thinly sliced onion. Here our onion has changed a little color and it's ready now. So we're going to add the sauce that we blended earlier. We're gonna give it a good mix. And we're also going to let the sauce boil for about 8 minutes before we add the chicken. At this point, you can check if the sauce has enough salt or if you want to add a little bit more. Now our sauce is ready and we're going to add our shredded chicken now. And we're going to give it a good mix. We're going to leave it to cook for 5 minutes. Okay guys, our chicken tinga is ready. Here are the toppings that we're going to serve the tostadas with. I served mine with lettuce, sour cream, cheese, and salsa. Thank you everyone, I hope you enjoy it and I'll see you guys next time.